How to enable game space on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable game space on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one here, apps, and now click app assistant, and you will find this one like that. Just enable it and then click here, and that's it. And game space have been enabled. Now just go back, and that's how to enable game space on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.